Hello everyone, this is Charlene and I am working on a new gardening project. If you saw in one of my previous videos where I installed a no-dig garden in the front, I am now going to install two new no-dig gardens in my backyard. And I hit the jackpot at my local Dollar General where they had a whole bunch of boxes they were getting rid of. So I took all of them so I can get started on this project. So I'm getting ready to lay down my new garden bed, install that. I'm measuring out about a 4-foot wide garden bed from the fence. This area has intimidated me for a little bit of time, and I'm just finally going to attack it and do it now and just do it afraid. I am laying down my boxes, my cardboard boxes, and I'm going to basically install two beds. And later on, you'll see pictures. I'm going to do one side and then go over and do another side. And there's going to be a space in the middle where there is a dying tree stump that I'm just letting continue to decompose. And then once that gets to a point where it's decomposed well enough, I'll figure out what I'll do. I'll probably extend the bed or connect the two beds. But in the meantime, I am overlapping and laying down my cardboard. This is the second bed that I was telling you all about. So whatever I'm doing on the other side, I'm going to do on this side too. I won't show you both sides because it's basically the same process. But I am laying over my cardboard boxes and getting ready to put in some topsoil on each side. What I'm doing here is, again, I don't do the best job of measuring and preparing, so I just kind of eyeball things and figure out what I need as I go along. So I'm putting in about a 1-inch layer of topsoil on top of each of these boxes, and kind of breaking them apart, and then I'll come in and fill in the areas where I need to put in another bag of topsoil, getting those kind of laid out. And then after I'm done with this, I will come in and lay in a layer of a few inches of compost. And again, what I'm doing on one side, I'm doing on both sides. And I'll show you all what that looks like later on in the video, at the end of the video. And then once I put in my compost, I'm laying down some mulch over top of this here. And then it's supposed to rain in about a day, so I'm just going to let it sit and then let the rain sort of water everything in. So that's what I ended up with. No, it's not finished. It is a work in process. And this is the backyard. This is what it looks like so far. And I'm just accepting that it's going to be a slow process. I wish I could show you all what it looks like complete and it's beautiful and finished, but I think I'm just going to walk through this journey and see what it looks like, and hopefully you all will join me. So yes, I need a new fence, I need a new deck, but we're going to see what it all looks like as we go along. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.